In today's video, I am going to teach you how to add custom shapes to Miro. To begin, open Miro in your browser and go to a board where you want to work. Any board is fine, as long as you can access the editing canvas. Once the board is open, take a moment to make sure you are in the main board view and not inside a pop-up or a settings screen, since the Shapes tools live on the board toolbar. Next, look to the left side toolbar on the canvas. This is where you will find the tools for creating and inserting content, including shapes. Click the Shapes tool, which may appear as a basic shape icon. When you click it, you will see a set of available shapes you can place on the board. From there, you will need to open the Expanded Shapes options. In many Miro layouts, this is done by choosing the option for more shapes. This area is where Miro lets you manage additional shape libraries and bring in your own custom files. Now, select the option that says Browse and Upload SVG Shapes. This will open a file picker on your computer. Locate the SVG file or files you want to use, select them, and confirm the upload. Miro will then add those SVG shapes to your available shapes so you can drag them onto the canvas like any other shape. As you upload, keep the platform limits in mind. Miro supports up to 100 custom shapes, and each SVG file must be 50 kilobytes or smaller. If an upload fails, it usually means the file is too large or the SVG contains extra data. In that case, you can simplify the SVG using a vector editor and try again, while keeping the design clean and lightweight. After the upload is complete, return to your Shapes panel. Your custom shapes should now be accessible from the Shapes menu, ready to insert onto the board. Click one to place it, then move and resize it as needed to fit your diagram or workflow. That covers everything you need to know. And that is all there is to it.